Step number 2 is delegate and outsource. You've got to hire people. One-man band, small businesses, sole traders, you're trying to do all of the key tasks on your own. The marketing, the sales, the operations, the finance, the recruitment, the systems, the processes, the procedures, and the delivery. And if you're spending all of your time just on delivery, who's going to be doing everything else in your business that it's required to have to be able to scale and grow? So you've got to see tools as 5% of where your business's focus needs to be. And I want you to remember that the tools do not make you money. The sale is where the money is made. The tools are just delivery of the sale. They're a cost of sale. But for many tradespeople, it's so programmed into you that the transaction of where you get paid at the end of the job is where you make your money. That's just income for an engineer that's delivering the service for a business. But the day that you became a business owner was the day that you stopped getting paid to deliver the service on the tools and you start getting paid to deliver the service as a business. And I want you to remember that your business needs to be able to make enough money to be able to pay the tools and the person doing the execution, plus make a profit to pay you as the owner. It should make a profit in its own right. You shouldn't just be taking a wage. A great way to understand where your time's being spent is to assess your current tasks and responsibilities. And you've got to understand the value of the task in any business. Doing admin, bookkeeping, paperwork, bookings, doing ordering of materials is not a high income task. As the business owner, you're not saving your money, you're costing yourself money by doing those jobs. They are the cheapest jobs to pay for, and your job is to be at the front, at the helm of the organization, overseeing everything, not doing any one task in a business. My company has 50 people in and we do £1 million a month in sales. Imagine if I was upstairs in the finance department writing up the invoices or doing the bookkeeping. It would be crazy. It would be bad for business, it would be bad for my people, and it would be bad for our customers, because my job centrally is to oversee this big business, and your job is to start thinking like a big business. So you've got to understand the level of tasks that you have, you've got to understand the value of those tasks, and you've got to start hiring people to delegate out those tasks too, so you can focus on higher income tasks. So just remember, you've got to hire people, you have to bring in top talent, you've got to delegate. You're not going to do this on your own. Don't be afraid to hire people. I've hired nearly 1,000 people in the last 10 years in all departments across the country of all different ages and skill sets, and they are the best asset. Sometimes it's not easy, but that's what's going to grow and scale your business.